Good morning. Look at this. It is a beautiful Saturday morning in Sedona, Arizona, and I want to show you our resort. It is the Poco Diablo, and so this is right outside of our room. And let's go inside. It has been an amazing stay. They have really thought of everything. So comfortable. The bed is like sleeping on clouds. But it is a really nice room. It has everything that you need. Plus, it has a fireplace. Isn't that fantastic? Because the nights get chilly here and the mornings are a little bit chilly. So it's nice to have a fireplace to cozy up to. We're here celebrating. So we had some decorations up. And let me show you our patio area. This is right here on the golf course, which they will be changing soon to a lazy river. So we will definitely be back to enjoy that. And just look at this gorgeous view. Isn't that amazing? So beautiful, so peaceful. The time just moves really slowly here. Look at the ducks. Little ducks. Isn't that awesome? Just being one with nature and just taking in the sounds and the scenes and the peacefulness. You can hear the birds and the wildlife. It's just absolutely amazing here. Love it. We'll definitely be back. Here's more of the resort. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? This is the Poco Diablo in Sedona. So this is currently where the restaurant is and the entrance to the lobby. More of the rooms are here and just a beautiful place to hang out. There's golf course here, but fire pits as well. So beautiful resort.
Discovered Sedona, and I was like, oh wow, this place is magical.
Wow. This is God's glory, love. What do you think?
It's like we're in the middle of heaven or something. It's just amazing.